Hi everyone. How are you today? Let's learn English conversation with me. 9. Canceling a check.
How are you doing today?
I'm fine.
What can I do for you?
I would like to cancel a check.
Is there a problem?
I wrote the check out for too much.
How much did you write it out for?
I wrote it out for $150.
How much was it supposed to be?
It was supposed to be for $100.
I'll cancel that check for you.
I really appreciate your help.
How are you?
I'm doing well.
How may I help you?
Could you cancel a check for me?
What's the problem?
I wrote the check out for way too much.
How much?
I wrote the check out for $150.
What were you supposed to write it out for?
I was supposed to write the check out for $100.
I'll just cancel it for you right now.
That's great. You're a lifesaver.
How's it going?
Great. Thank you.
What can I help you with?
I need to cancel a check.
What's wrong with the check?
I accidentally wrote the check for too much.
How much did you write the check for?
The check was written for $150.
How much were you supposed to write it for?
I needed to write it for $100.
I can cancel it for you right now.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share to channel Dan Sreyoun in order to get more video. Thank you.